Hey there, health warriors! Today we're diving into a powerful tool for weight loss, mindful eating. Stick around for the next 2 minutes. Your body will thank you. What's mindful eating? It's a game changer. Picture this, fully savoring every bite, being in the moment and listening to your body. It's not just about what's on your plate, but how you experience it. Now, why does it matter for weight loss? It's simple logic. Mindful eating stops overeating. You become best friends with your body's hunger and fullness signals, kicking emotional cravings to the curb. Here's a golden rule. Slow down. Put the brakes on between bites. This gives your brain time to catch up, and you'll find yourself waving goodbye to unnecessary seconds. Portion control is your weight loss sidekick. Swap those giant plates for smaller ones. Your brain won't know the difference, but your waistline will. Eating with intention means making smart choices. Load up on nutrient-packed foods. They're your ticket to a healthier you. Your body's a genius. It's always talking to you. Are you listening? Eat when you're hungry. Stop when you're satisfied. It's like having a personal weight loss coach built in. Quick recap. Mindful eating is your weight loss superhero. Be present, slow down, control portions, choose wisely, and listen to your body. You've got this. Thanks for joining the journey to a healthier you. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more game-changing tips. Until next time, stay mindful and stay healthy.